Ano din siya, pang restaurant. Order ka na. Yes, siyempre kain na tayo because we are Asian. We love rice. Wow. And of course, well, yung ating natira is, ano ilalagay? It's alright. Later on na lang. This one. We're gonna dip sa ating sausawan na lemon with, what you call that? With patis. Siyempre, titikman na natin. Unang bite para sa'yo, Cargo. Yes, at the same time to all followers on the Facebook page, please follow me and of course para update ka lagi sa ating mga video. Yes mga Jovicas, good morning, good afternoon everybody. Siyempre, andito naman si Leron Sinta. Today's very special araw ng ating pahinga. So gagawa naman tayong cooking show vlog and because of you. And we got the YouTube Creator Award. Siyempre, andito naman tayo sa ating kitchen. Sa ating small kitchen. Small but terrible. So today is, araw ng ating pahinga, but today is meron akong itlog. Just one egg left to the right. You got egg? Of course you have. Siyempre mga Jovicas is tortang talong. Yes, kilala mo ang talong na to. Yes, this is like the eggplant. Yeah. Tatanggihan namiki eggplant. This all do po at syempre patsi ito may kirotang ulam. Syempre mga lambot ka. This all do is I have a little bit pork. This all I do is I'm gonna slice it and I'm gonna fry it a little bit. Kasi because makikipid ka ta. We're gonna wash our hand thoroughly and we got this one. Syempre pag bago ka lang sa channel ko, subscribe, leave comment down below. Ayun eh. I'm gonna cut ang ating what you call it, ang ating pork. And of course, gusto ko yung medyo may mantika para rich in collagen. And of course, I'm gonna cut this one while I'm boiling and I'll make steam the talong. Magtatorta nga akong talong mga Jovicas, but this one is I'm gonna make it cut. Yes, I'm gonna cut drop like it hot. Yes, this one is, kilala mo ba ang panlasang Pilipino? Pinoy foods, syempre, isa ka. And of course, because we are Asian, we love rice. I'm gonna cut this one a little bit. Usapang OFW. Bakit nga ba nagpunta sa overseas? Syempre, to make money. That's it. Yes, syempre. Financially, emotionally, and physically, when we got there, okay lang natin labanan niya. Lahat. But, I'm gonna tell you, kailangan natin how to cook. Learn how to cook. I think that's enough for this one. And of course the other one is I'm gonna keep it in the fridge. And of course is I think dagdagan ko pa siya para hanggang bukas lang, sayang ang apoy. Pag sinabing tortang talong mga Jovicas, siyempre meron tayong itlog. And of course tipid lang pag may time. Alright, I'm gonna put in here this one at imamarinate ko lang siya. And the leftover is I'm gonna put in here sa aking styrofoam with plastic, and this one is to avoid the bacteria. Alright, we're gonna wash this one. Yes, I'm gonna wash thoroughly. Marinate natin siya. Yes, actually, I'm gonna wash my hand. Siyempre, because we are Asian, we love rice mga Jovicas. I don't have rice to my caldero. So this one is I bought like 1,900 won. So this one is almost like 4,000. Not even like $1. No, not even like almost like $3. Okay, I put a little bit like oyster sauce. Pwede lagyan natin ng pampalasa kasi pag walang magic, walang sarap. Konti lang naman. Wag naman madami. Alright, that's it. And I put a little bit lemon para mas malasa siya. And a little bit like a salt. Yeah, dahil wala akong. And then we're gonna mix it. Don't worry, my hand is clean. And of course, after this one, tingnan na natin kung okay na yung ating talong. Simple hapon cooking. Alright, oh my god. I'm gonna wash my hand in here. Okay. And this all we do right now is, what's the name aking? This one. Alright. I think this one is not yet. Konti pa. I'm gonna scramble the egg. Scramble your egg. And of course, I put a little bit like oyster sauce in here. Yes, just a little bit. Lagyan natin naman pampalasa. Yes, pag walang magic, walang sarap. And a little bit like this one. Yes. And then we're gonna scramble. We're gonna scramble the egg. I put only like one egg. If nagtitipid ako, I have like 3 more in there, but I need to save it for next day. Siyempre, kaliguran. Okay. I think not yet. Later on. Lerong sinta, bukun yung papaya, dala buslo. So my double test right now, I think the milk is really done. It's really well done. Just all my do is, I'm gonna put sa container. So, ang ating pinaka-main event is, main event daw, the talong na urong sulong. Because we are Asian and of course, means sometimes we craving a food. We craving like a talong, like the tartang talong. And of course, comparment version. Alright, just all my do right in here. Itatabi ko lang muna yan. Tabi natin yan. And of course, right in here, my hand was clean. So, I scrambled egg. There's only like one egg a while ago. And then, I'm gonna dip in here ang ating talong. Yes. Dito natin yung talong. Alright, we're gonna dip in here. And then, after that, ididip ko siya ulit dito sa atin yan. Yes, konti lang para it's more crispy. Alright, and then we're gonna put in there. I'm gonna make a little bit like a high fire para makakain na rin tayo. Yes, syempre kasama ka sa punan ko. Basta subscribe mo. Yes, thank you so much. And of course, so our follower right in there on our Facebook page. Thank you so much. And of course, you can follow my brother, Michael Sam, and doing like a AI generate. And it's really good. And of course, like, kasi ito niya mga topic is about the overseas contract workers. Like you, like us. Alright, here we do. I'm gonna put more. Ganun lang siya. And then, the leftover, I'm gonna put on top. Right in there. Siyempre, I'm gonna show you the log. Here we go. This one ang ating egg. Egg with talong na urong sulong. Because so, this all we do is we're gonna prepare ang ating presentation. Because we love rice. Oh, this one, the rice that I bought. Hindi mo wala ang rice. Siyempre. Pag walang rice is walang life for me. I love rice. I love rice. Kasi minsan kahit rice lang, and of course you got oil, olive oil, pwede na. But oil toyo. Imagine that, it's easy. Alright, and I'm not gonna throw that one. And I'm gonna put in here, and I want to make sausawan. Yes. Sili. Tinipid-tipid ko pa to. Because like, oh my god, expensive really. Alright. And I don't have suka. I put a lemon drop. At saka, what you call this? Soy sauce. Not soy sauce, fish sauce. Fresh from Thailand. Okay. And then we're gonna ready. Just all not do is, we're gonna flip. Babalik tarin ko lang siya. Alright. It's beautiful. Oh my god. I was so excited. This one. Yes. And then, i-crispy natin siya ng konti para mas masarap siya. And then, this one, ang ating setting. Siyempre mga Java Cats, we always inspired, never expected ng breadwinning award. And of course, sometimes we're craving a food. Don't worry, we need to eat healthy food. And of course, even although we're busy in overseas, don't forget ourselves being healthy lifestyle. Hindi pa tayo tapos, oy. Yes. Finally, I think it's really done. I'm so excited. Ang ating, it's crispy, and I think juicy. Wow, we smell pa lang ulam na just all do is we gonna taste it. Oh, really? Oh, imagine that. Hindi lang siya pang homemade, but it's a homemade, hindi na pang ano din siya, pang restaurant. Order ka na. Yes, siyempre kain na tayo because we are Asian. We love rice. Well, and of course, well, yung ating natira is, saan ilalagay? It's alright. Later on na lang. This one. We gonna dip sa ating sausawan na lemon with, what you call that? With patis. Siyempre, titikman na natin. Unang bite para sa'yo, Caliguran. Yeah, at the same time, to all of our followers on the Facebook page, please follow me and of course para update ka lagi sa ating mga video. Wow! It's so much delicious. Ito po. Ayun na po ang ating pork. Kasi malalambot tayo pag gulay lang kinain natin. Because we old and of course we do exercise, we need protein. It was so yummy. Ang naman. Sabi ko nga double cuz. And of course, ang ating tortang talong, Kapampangan version. Please do subscribe my channel, leave a comment down below right in here on the Facebook page. Follow me and I follow you back. This is Lawrence Sam on the Facebook page, Korean Angel on the YouTube channel. Bye bye. Follow po sa inyo lahat. Awa.